Okay guys, this is a Samsung microwave. I recently bought and installed it myself. It's a 30-inch standard size over the cooking range microwave oven from Samsung. We just got, I think I installed that yesterday. Um, Obviously you need somebody to help you with the installation. Like you see, like over here, it's still brand new. Our previous one, it was a General Electric GE microwave, which was actually uh, when we bought the house, it was already there. It only worked for a year and a half, and then it gone bad. So this one, really nice microwave. So you need somebody to help you with the installation. It has the ducts, the exhaust ducts over here, and then the filters over here with the light, which you can dim from here and then off. And then you have the fan. I'm not gonna turn it on. The reason of making this video right now is because I was having a problem how to set the time, the clock time on my microwave, and it was really hard to find out. But after doing some research, I figured it out. So usually, like what videos I saw, they had a clock button over here on the microwave, but the one I have did not have any clock button. But then you notice, like over here, you'll see this clock button, which you have to press for 3 seconds, and it will turn on the clock set option. So if you press and hold for 30 seconds, you see now it's blinking, and now you can enter the time. So we have 1:29. So 1:29, and then I'll say, actually, this clock button again, and now I have the option for AM and PM. I'll press the clock button again, it's changed to PM, and then after this you press on start. This will set your time. So pretty easy. Just want to make this video so it will help others. They're trying to figure out how to set the time on their Samsung over the cooking range microwave. That was all. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you. Thank you. Bye bye.